Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover videos on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and now you should tap on this third button down below. And here you can find the videos in the For You section. These videos are mostly suggested based on your hobbies that you have selected. So if you are interested in watching any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one. If you want to save this video for later, tap on the Save to Watch Later button and add it to your collection. You can also rate your experience by tapping on the star icons, and if you are interested in more of these kinds of videos, then tap on the Show More button. However, if you don't want to encounter similar videos, then tap on the Show Less button, so you will see fewer videos from that particular user. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.